Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install apps and games from the Google Play Store on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to download and install games from or apps from the Google Play Store itself, first open up your preferred browser, because we will be required to download the MSI App Emulator on our computer first and install it. To do that, after opening your preferred browser, click on the search bar and search for MSI App Player like this, and hit on enter. And over here on the first result of Google, there is the MSI App Player X BlueStacks. Click over there, and over here you can see the direct download option available over here of the MSI player or the emulator. Click on download and it will be downloaded on a zip. Open that zip file, and after opening that zip file, you can see the MSI App Player.exe. Click over there and it will be installed on your computer. After installing the MSI App Player on your computer, open it and let's go. I have already installed the MSI App Player over here. And after installing and opening the MSI App Player at the first site, you will be required to sign up for MSI App Player. As you can see over here, here is my account of MSI. After signing up for the MSI, and you will be on this interface where there is the My Games and the Game Center on the MSI App Player. And let's close this, and you can see there is the Google Play Store over here under the recommended for you, or on My Games tab there is the Google Play Store itself, which cannot be uninstalled from the MSI App Player. We can uninstall other games from over here, but we will not be able to uninstall the Google Play Store. So let's open it. And on this interface, first, when you open this Google Play Store on the MSI App Player, you'll be first required to log into your Google account on this Google Play Store. As I have already logged into my Google account over here, do it similarly. First log into your Google Play Store account over here, and after that you can see the customization of the app is similar to the Google Play Store we use on our Android mobile. You can search for any games, and I have already installed a game which was the Mobile Legends itself. Now let's go for our app and let's search for Binance. And here you can see the Binance BTC 600 crypto. Click on install and let's wait for the process to be downloaded. And you can see it's 130 MB worth of data. Let's go back, and you can see to go back, there is the back option available at the bottom right corner of your screen on the MSI App Player. Click over there, and again and again, and it should be installed on this interface. And after it has been installed, let's go and let's check the Binance, and you can see it's been installing. Let's wait for it to be installed. And it has been installed. Let's open it, and you can see there is the Binance as on our Android devices. And there guys, this is how you install games and apps from the Google Play Store on your computer with MSI App Player. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.